Hi, my name is Nick Taylor, Managing Broker for Taylor Realty Associates. We're coming to you today from Savannah Green, the final phase. We're excited to be representing CU Under Construction, and they're building 4 new homes in the home sites of 40 that they plan to build, starting at $209,900 and offering 3 different floor plans. These homes will be everything from luxury planked flooring in the main living areas to energy-efficient windows, quality Delta plumbing. Buyers will have the ability to make their own selections during the early stages of construction. These homes qualify for the Think Urbana property tax abatements, saving buyers 55% off property taxes in the first 5 years of ownership. Come join us at Savannah Green. Give us a call for information at 217-355-0700.